Well, good morning. Hope everyone's been fine. I know I haven't been around in a while. Today we're going to be spotlighting Mountain Man by Sterling Soaps. And this is an amazing, amazing scent. Rod and Amanda did an amazing job making this. And we'll talk more about what's inside it. I have it blooming in my den. I got my goatee going again, so I'm just going to take some of the bloom water and kind of put it on my face. Instead of using pre-shave oils, I just find that it works better for me. And I'm going to wash my hands off. And let's load a brush. So this Mountain Man soap is pretty amazing. It's bergamot, orange, green tea, black currant, musk, sandalwood, petite grain, and it has something in it called galbanum, and it's a aromatic gum resin from Iran. So I've never seen that before, but I'm sure other people use it. And this soap lathers just beautifully. So I'm going to go with what I got here because I'm only going to be doing 2 passes. So we'll try that out. I'll put this on my face. And set that aside, and it's going to be an interesting video. At least I hope it turns out interesting, because this soap really, I mean, it is rich and creamy. And one thing is, when you're using straight razors, you want a soap that's going to absolutely be slick. You know, so the blade glides over your face, and this really is very nice. So I'm pushing my kind of goatee up and inward so that it gives me a line to work off of, if you can see that. And I'm periodically going to be looking in the mirror as well as on my screen. So the aftershave is the same scent profile, and it's 100 mils, and it's an alcohol based. The thing that's really cool about Rod's Sterling Mountain Man soap is that it's a 5.8 ounces, almost 6 ounces of soap, and it's only $13.60 on his website. So $13.60 is a pretty good price for almost 6 ounces of soap. It'll last you a lifetime. And then one of the cool things too is it's beef tallow based, and it's a take on Creed's Silver Mountain Water Cologne. So it's got a very nice scent profile to it. It's really cool. Now, if you look at this really closely, you can see this guy, this Mountain Man, he's shaving with a knife. He's not even shaving with a razor. So I decided, why not use my Honey Badger tan large blade and try to shave with that. So this is what we're going to be shaving with today. So let's see how this works. Now I honed this up pretty good and it shaves hair on my arm, but I don't know how it's going to work on my face. So let's give it a try and see what happens. We're going to go 1 pass with the grain. Pretty interesting, and I'm being really careful not to cut my face with the point. Let's see. There's hairs in there. It's shaving. Wow. You just got to be really careful with it. This is a super wide blade. I'm going to switch hands, and let's try this on the opposite side. I mean, it's shaving some hair off, but I don't know if you could see this. It definitely needs, I'll probably have to do a pass or so with a real razor. All right, well, that was a fun first pass. And I used my Honey Badger 3.6-inch blade. It weighs 3.8 ounces. And it's very nice. I like it. It's like a greenish. It's really nice. It's got some nice snarling on the handle. So anyway, I'm going to put this down. And now, let me throw some more lather on, because that was a lot of fun, but it saved some hair, but it didn't do an amazing job. Here's what we'll grab. We're going to use a Hayashi Diamond 1000, and it's an extra steel. It's a very nice razor. So let's continue on with this. Well, this definitely, it's a straight razor, you know. It's going to definitely shave a lot better than a folding knife. Very good. That was an awesome second pass. Not bad, not bad. So let's do a quick touch up. Because these days I don't need to be like so exactly precise with a baby smooth shave or anything. I'm just trying to, you know, get it cleaned up so it looks fairly decent. And we're gonna whip out a quick second pass. We're gonna go across over here. Nice across on the cheeks. I find it smooth enough. I don't need to go against the grain much. So that 3-pass thing really works good, but no need for me to do so much. I don't need a baby smooth shave anymore. Nice. I hope everyone has been doing well, and I know it's already, what, going into March. It's crazy, right? We'll do against underneath. Just coming up to where my hair is growing. Very good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I switched my eating habits and went with a keto diet. And because of that, I have dropped 25 pounds. And it's pretty cool because I'm feeling way better. And my face actually thinned out a bit. I'm actually all I did was take my towel and I put it in to the sink just to get it wet so I could wipe my face off. Not bad, not bad at all. Excellent, nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to shake up my aftershave, splash. And I'm going to put some of this on. Smells great. The bergamot, orange, and black currant really stand out to me. And of course it's musky, so it's really manly. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my shave. I'll put some links below to where I got my gear and my software. And if you have any questions or comments, of course, leave them below. And have a wonderful day and an even better shave. Take care, my friends.